We are creating a highly engaging YouTube script for a faceless storytelling video using a level-based progression format similar to viral POV videos. The script must feel cinematic, immersive, and intense, making the viewer feel like they are living through each stage of a dangerous or hidden world. You are an elite YouTube scriptwriter and storyteller who specializes in high-retention viral content. You write in a second-person narrative style, with short, punchy, cinematic lines. You understand how to build tension, progression, and emotional engagement across multiple levels. Write a full 8 to 12-minute YouTube script based on this topic. Your life as the only honest person in a rigged system. Script style requirements. Use level 1, level 2, level 3. Progression structure. Each level represents growth, risk, power, or deeper involvement. Start immediately with level 1, no long intro. Use second-person perspective, you. Use short, impactful sentences, avoid long paragraphs. Maintain dark, serious, and immersive tone. Show increasing stakes at each level. Include money, risk, consequences, and emotional shifts. Add small, realistic details to make it feel real. Locations, tasks, scenarios. End with a powerful final level that shows consequences, downfall, or twist structure flow. Level 1, entry point, low risk, simple task. Level 2 to 4, growth and deeper involvement. Level 5 to 7, power, money, control, but rising danger. Final levels, consequences, paranoia, downfall, or cycle continuation. Writing style, cinematic and direct. No fluff or unnecessary explanation. Each line should move the story forward. Keep viewer curiosity high in every level. Output format, plain script. Clearly label each level, level 1, level 2, etc. No bullet points, no explanations outside the script. Target audience, age 16 to 35, interested in dark, realistic, and intense storytelling. Goal is maximum watch time and retention,